This is Cut Corners Construction, where we cut the corners
so you don't have to.
DeWalt has come up with yet another innovative cordless product.
Yeah, but will it meet up to the standards of Cut Corners Construction?
In just a minute, we'll find out. Well, today we're going to be telling you about a brand new product that DeWalt has just come out with. This is the DCS361 M1.
Really exciting, they've finally come out with a cordless sliding miter saw.
It includes a DeWalt 4 amp hour lithium ion 20 volt max battery. There has been some confusion because I know on some websites I've seen that it says it only comes with a 3 amp hour battery, but it does include the 4 amp hour battery. Because you only get one, it would have been nice to see DeWalt's new 5 amp hour battery included in this. It also includes the DeWalt DCB112 battery charger. I'm not sure exactly why DeWalt is including this one. Most of the time DeWalt has been including this battery charger with their products, which is the DCB101. And the difference between these two chargers is this is a 2 amp charger and this is a 4 amp charger. So you definitely would get a faster charge time with the DCB101. This is, of course, includes the dust bag for jobs that you want to take this and just set it on the floor somewhere. Is this going to scratch the floor? So I did look, and at the bottom, you notice there are rubber bumpers at the bottom. If you want to be able to put this down, cut on the go, right on the floor, you shouldn't have a problem. As long as you set the saw down carefully, you won't have a problem with scratching a wood floor or something like that.
You'll also get a handy little clamp here for clamping down the wood.
Alright, now this saw does come stock with a DeWalt 40 tooth carbide tip 7 1/4 inch blade, which seems like a nice blade. We'll find out in a minute. And it also includes a tool for changing your blade, and it's conveniently attached to the saw itself.
It's probably got a lot of features that you'd see on a common sliding miter saw, except that the main thing about this one is you don't have to plug it in.
There's a light on here. As soon as you pull the trigger, the light turns on and it'll actually cast a shadow down this blade onto where you're cutting. There is a button on the top that you can push, and that will also turn the light on. The trigger lock on this saw is actually located on the button. When you put your hand on it and slide it over, you can easily grab it and push the button, and it's good to go. One of the key features and the selling point of this saw is that it's very compact and lightweight, easy to move around. According to DeWalt, 31.6 pounds. You'll get up to 275 cuts out of one charge, and that's on a 3 1/4 inch pine baseboard material, or you get up to 175 cuts on a out of 2x4.
And the nice thing about this saw as well is it can be attached to a DeWalt stand. How they've designed the bed with handles on the side there to grab the saw, lift easily. So when you lock in the miter saw, you can lift the saw using this handle too.
This is only a single bevel, so it only will bevel this direction. It won't bevel both directions. If it would have, it would have been awesome. All right, the operation of this saw is actually very easy. There's a thumb button here, so when you want to adjust for your miter degree, you simply push the button and you rotate it to whatever degree you want to go. And then you can also lock it into position. But there is a number of these teeth where it locks in at, your most common degree angles.
And then of course, if you need to do that compound miter cut, you simply turn this knob on the back, and then say we want to set it to 45 degrees, turn the knob, and off you go with your compound cut.
We have fully charged the battery. As you can see, there's 3 bars. We're going to put this 4 amp hour battery in. We always recommend eye protection and ear protection. So the first thing we're going to try cutting here is a 1x4 MDF trim.
Okay.
We'll try doing a 45-degree angle on it here. Turn it this way. The motor seems plenty powerful. You can see our angle here. Pretty nice cut.
Okay, the next thing we're going to try cutting is this 3/4 inch piece of oak. That's very nice. Let's try some 2x4.
Wow, that's cutting really well.
Really well, yeah.
Yeah. Chris, you want to do the honors of this
Sure.
2x8? Wow. Let me give that a try. That's it, cutting through 2x8 material. Does a pretty good job with that as well. The specifications on this say it'll cut up to a 2x8. This is a 2x10. Chris is going to go ahead and cut a 2x10. Wow. So it will cut a 2x10. But I'm actually really impressed so far with how well this cuts. So you can carry it like this, you know, which is very comfortable to carry. It's not, doesn't feel overweight, or you can carry it like this. We would definitely recommend this, right, Chris?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. All right, let us know what you think of this saw in the comment section below this video.
Yeah, and please like this video.
You can also find us on www.lugnutfilms.com. We're also on Twitter and Facebook. This is Cut Corners Construction, where we cut the corners
So you don't have to.
I get really discouraged in the filming process because it's just like, is this going to turn out good enough for our viewers, for the world?
Yeah, but will it stand up to the... will it meet up?
And ear protection?
In the past, where objects have come flying right at our eyeballs.
Yeah!
Something that should...
Chris has neglected to slide the saw all the way through. So we have not yet tried out this saw yet, but we have gone ahead.
You've already said all that.
Miter, blah, 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 blah. You know, to tell you to keep your hands away from this area, you know, because you might be tempted to lay your hand in there and... You're right! How do you do that? You can carry it like this.